Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei Mate 40 series. Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro. Every generation of Huawei Mate 40 series, they have an iconic symmetrical design. Today's Mate 40 series, we call it space ring design. This camera, iconic, symmetric. And we bring the elegance of 80-degree curvature. And today, on Mate 40 series, we reserve physical volume button. But also, we have a virtual key to control the volume. No matter left hand or right hand, you can control it the way you like. On all of the Huawei Mate 40 series flagship phone, we're all using dual stereo speaker. And more importantly, this speaker have the best bass stereo. 150% stronger bass. When you listening the music, when you play the mobile gaming, or when you make a phone call, hand-free conference call, you always can achieve the best stereo experience, the best audio experience. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro and Pro Plus is IP68 rated. Actually, we are doing better than this. The Mate 40 are IP53 rated. The Mate 40 is a 6.5-inch flex OLED, have a very high saturation, high contrast ratio. And also have an in-screen fingerprint sensor, and even one small camera hole, but it supports attention-aware technologies. And also, it has refresh rate is 90 Hz. The 90 Hz refresh rate brings you smooth operation when you're using the phone. It's much better than 60 Hz. It's very easy for us to provide 120 Hz, but higher refresh rate means higher power consumption. So the 90 Hz is the best balance between the power consumption, long battery life, and the smooth operation. The Huawei Mate 40 Pro is a more larger screen. This screen is 6.76 inch flex OLED with more higher resolution, and its dual front camera. It supports 3D face unlock with attention-aware technologies, and also with in-screen fingerprint. Also, 90 Hz refresh rate brings you really smooth operation. And this large screen is very compact. It's 6.76 inch, but much narrower than the other phone. In your hand, it's comfortable, and it's much narrower. And with this curvature, the front and the back, the curvature, it brings you really comfortable hold. So for Huawei Mate 40, we have two material, 5 color for your selection. And the Huawei Mate 40 Pro also 2 material, 5 color. And the Mate 40 Pro Plus, 2 color, ceramic white and ceramic black. Ladies and gentlemen, the Huawei Mate 40 series bring you the most powerful performance. Inside this phone is the world's most powerful Kirin 9000 chip, the most powerful ever. It's 5 nanometer. Not only 5 nanometer, it's also world's first 5 nanometer 5G SoC. 15.3 billion transistors on it, 30% more transistors than A14. The most sophisticated 5G SoC chipset, most powerful. Inside this, the fastest octa-core CPU, 10% faster than other flagship chipset. But more importantly, the GPU, 24-core GPU, 52% faster than the other flagship chipset. Today, the GPU even more important than CPU, because most of the mobile gaming, they are mainly using GPU performance. And our NPU, AI processor, neural network processor, even faster, 2.4 times faster than the others. And also more importantly, we bring the energy efficiency, the low power consumption. That's the key. Long battery life. So the CPU, the NPU, and the GPU, the power efficiency is much higher than the other chipset. When the industry, the other one, they launched their first generation, the 5G flagship smartphone, we already provide the third generation technology. With our third generation, the 5G modem technology, in the real network, real field network uplink, we can increase 5 times faster speed than the other 5G technologies. And the downlink, we can achieve 2 times faster than the other 5G technology. And inside the most powerful ISP, the imaging signal processor, higher throughput, better noise reduction capability, and better HDR processing, video processing, all the capability. So this is the Kirin 9000, and also we have a Kirin 9000E. Both of them, the most powerful 5G SoC in the world, with leading 5 nanometer technology, and also with leading CPU, GPU, and NPU performance, and the most powerful, the modem, and also powerful, the ISP processing technology inside. Bring you faster, never stop faster. 4 years ago, we invented the technology that is solving the Android aging issue. After 18 months, you're using the Huawei flagship phones, you still have a smooth experience. Today, we upgrade the technology to 36 months. Four years ago, and we have the slogan is "Burn faster, stay fast," and also we bring you long-lasting 5G battery. Mate 40 Pro have 4,400 mAh battery inside. We have much longer battery life compared with other flagship phone, with our low power consumption and our powerful processor technology inside. Mate 40 series, we upgrade to 66 watt, the fastest supercharger on flagship smartphone. The 66 watt is the best balance of the battery density and make the phone slim and also with faster charging. And on Mate 40 Pro and Pro Plus, we upgraded to 50 watt super fast wireless charging. And our charger can even work in very low temperature in the cold environment. When people they go skiing in the winter time, most of the phone is not work, but Huawei phone still works. This is the Huawei Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro. This is the Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus. The Mate 40 Pro Plus have the amazing 10 times periscope telephoto. It can maximum support 17 times optical zoom range, the most powerful camera technology in the world. Inside this Mate 40 series, we have the world's largest sensor in smartphone. You can see compared with other sensor, it's much bigger. And we coordinate with Leica, bring you iconic Leica imaging, including the Leica Color, Leica Portrait, and the Leica Pro mode. With this Huawei Mate 40, you can take a photo like this, diverse and vivid color. You can take the power of portrait, and you can take decisive moment. With Mate 40 series, you take the moment of action. Today, we also bring you the best dual ultra-wide-angle camera technology. The front and the back both have the ultra-wide angle. And as a sensor for the wide angle, both the rear camera and the front camera all have the large sensor and the large pixel. in the wide angle, in the low light, you can see this. Our taking is much better than the other. The front ultra wide angle, when you take a selfie, is more wider and also more smarter. Intelligent field of view. When more people come in, they can use a more wide angle. So it help you to see more, and the selfie to take more people with this ultra wide angle. Ultra wide angle, the problem for that is distortion. Today, we bring the world's first freeform lens, the anti-distortion. The world's first freeform lens. If you take the chessboard, you can we take a very accurate. The other border is distortion. We can take true form. And with this anti-distortion technology, when you take a portrait, you can see that goes the face. You can see our freeform lens and also with the anti-distortion technologies together help you take the best portrait. Today, we also bring you the best dual sync camera. The front and the rear camera is 3:2, the video ratio, to help you take the best video. And also with the XD Fusion engine, HDR engine, to help you to take the 4K video real-time HDR processing.